Have you ever wanted to hang some pictures on your wall, but you don't know how to do it properly? Maybe you are afraid of making holes in your wall. Hi, I am James from Drilling Nerd. In this video, I am going to show you how to hang pictures on wall using different methods and techniques. Step 1. Get your tools and materials. You will need a drill, a hammer, a level, a tape measure, a pencil, a stud finder, some nails, some hooks, some wires, some adhesives, and your pictures. Step 2. Mark your wall space. Use a tape measure and a pencil to mark the center and the corners of your wall space. Use a level to make sure your marks are straight and even. Step 3. Arrange your pictures. Lay your pictures on the floor or on a large piece of paper. Create your desired layout with different shapes, sizes, colors, and themes. Step 4. Find the studs. Use the stud finder to find the studs behind your wall. Mark the center of each stud with a pencil. This is where you will hang your pictures with nails or hooks. Step 5. Make holes for nails or hooks. Use the drill or the hammer to make small holes in the center of each stud mark. Make sure the holes are slightly smaller than the nails or hooks you are using. Step 6. Insert nails or hooks. Insert the nails or hooks into the holes and tap them gently with a hammer until they are flush with the wall. Step 7. Hang your pictures with nails or hooks. Hang your pictures on the nails or hooks using the wires or the hangers. On the back of your pictures, use the level to make sure your pictures are straight. Step 8. Apply adhesives to your pictures and wall. If you don't want to use nails or hooks, you can use adhesives. Choose the type of adhesives that suits your picture size, weight, and wall type. Step 9. Hang your pictures with adhesives. Press the pictures firmly against the wall and hold them for a few seconds. Then, remove the pictures carefully and wait for the recommended time for the adhesives to bond. Finally, reattach the pictures to the wall and adjust them as needed. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe for more drilling tips. Visit my website drillingnerd.com for more info and reviews on power tools.